Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Edge browser. In today's video, I will show you how to simply delete your browse history or clear your search history in your Microsoft Edge browser. Let me show you how. One of the first easiest ways to come to the top right here, click on this three dots right here, and you have history, or better still, you can press Ctrl plus H. This will bring out this particular dialog box right here. You can click on all. This will allow you to see all your browse history right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see your browse history. And for you to delete any one of them, you can easily click one after the other, click one after the other. This is one of the easiest way to delete your browse history. However, you can do mass deletion of the browse history. You can come to the top right here, click on this particular trash bin icon, and it will redirect you right here. So once you get here, you have browse history, download history, cache, and other side, cache, image, and file. You have everything right here. For you to clear, you can scroll down right here. If you would like to delete password, autofill data from site permission, all data from previous, etc. So if you want to delete some of the information right here, you can go ahead and uncheck them right here. So once you are sure of the one you want to delete, just like everything right here, so you can check as many as possible or uncheck some of the one you don't want to delete. Then you have clear browsing data for Internet Explorer. So you can, this will clear your data across all your synchronized device signing to this particular Microsoft account. To clear browse data from this device, only sign out. So go ahead and click on clear now, and all the browse history is going to be fully clear, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft Edge browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.